Good morning, Eastview. Hope you are doing well on this fake Friday. You do have Friday off and Monday off, so today is kind of like Friday, even though it's virtual. Let's see. So we are looking back at a couple things. Today's QOD. Watch that little video so it shows you a sample of what someone had made. You're just explaining who would win in a battle, not a taste test, if Doritos battled Cheetos. Yesterday's was who's tougher. The keyword was tougher, a pirate or a ninja. So I'd have to go with a pirate being tougher. I mean, they're just brute taking things from everybody. Now, if it was a battle, I'd switch my answer and I'd go with the ninja because they're so stealth. I think they'd sneak up on the pirate. But that's my answer for that one. Today, all I'm recommending as we're doing day 2, our last day of Brush Ninja, make sure you watch. I made this little tips, help reminders video for you. And then this 8-frame walk cycle will walk you through what each of your frames will look like as you're drawing that. And then finally, see how far you can level up down here and just have fun with it. The feedback was outstanding for Brush Ninja, so my hope is you have another fun day with that one today. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.